Kendall is a vibrant and fast-growing Miami suburb, offering a mix of busy roadways, lively neighborhoods, and active commercial areas. While this energy adds to the appeal of living in Kendall, it can also bring an unwelcome challenge for homeowners: excess noise. From traffic and construction to loud outdoor activity, noise can easily seep into your home if your windows aren't equipped to block it out. That's why many homeowners in Kendall are upgrading to high-quality impact windows. While these windows are widely known for hurricane protection, they also deliver outstanding noise-reducing benefits that make everyday living more peaceful and comfortable. Here's how impact windows help create a quieter, more relaxing home environment. Multi-layer glass that blocks sound transmission. Standard windows typically use single-pane glass, which allows sound waves to travel directly through the material. Impact windows, by contrast, are built with 2 layers of thick, reinforced glass bonded with a durable interlayer. This multi-layer design reduces vibrations caused by outside noise, blocks sound waves before they enter your home, softens loud disturbances from cars, aircraft, or nearby activity for Kendall homes located near major streets like Kendall Drive or US 1. This reduction in sound penetration makes a significant difference in everyday comfort. Stronger, heavier construction for better noise control. Impact windows don't just rely on thicker glass, they also feature sturdier frames and stronger seals. These improvements create a more substantial barrier between your home and the outdoors. Enhanced construction includes reinforced, insulated frames, improved weather stripping, stronger locking mechanisms, tightly sealed installations. These components work together to minimize the gaps and weak points that ordinary windows often have. With fewer points for sound to slip through, your home stays quieter throughout the day and night. Reduced noise during storms and heavy rain. South Florida weather can be unpredictable, with sudden downpours, gusty winds, and tropical storms being a normal part of life. Unfortunately, older windows can rattle or amplify these sounds, making storms feel more disruptive than they need to be. Impact windows dramatically reduce storm-related noise by preventing frame vibration, blocking wind pressure and whistling sounds, softening the pounding noise of heavy rain, creating a stronger, more stable barrier during storms. With impact windows, your home feels calmer even when the weather isn't. A more peaceful indoor environment for rest and productivity. Whether you work from home, have children, or simply enjoy a quiet place to relax, noise reduction is essential. Impact windows help create a more tranquil indoor atmosphere, no matter what's happening outside. Homeowners enjoy better sleep in quieter bedrooms, improved focus in home offices, less disturbance from neighborhood activity, a more serene environment in living spaces. In a bustling city like Kendall, the ability to maintain a peaceful home environment is a major benefit. Added privacy from outdoor and indoor perspectives. Because impact windows block sound both ways, they can help prevent noise from escaping your home as well. This can be especially useful if you have children, you host gatherings, you use home entertainment systems, you play instruments or work out indoors. This added sound insulation creates an extra layer of privacy and comfort. Long-term value that goes beyond noise reduction. While sound control is a major advantage, impact windows offer additional benefits that increase long-term value for Kendall homeowners. Hurricane protection for South Florida storms, improved security due to shatter-resistant glass, increased energy efficiency and lower utility bills, higher property value and insurance savings. These combined features make impact windows one of the most worthwhile upgrades you can make. Final thoughts. High-quality impact windows do far more than protect your Kendall home during hurricanes. They also transform your indoor environment by significantly reducing outside noise. With multi-layer glass, reinforced framing, and advanced sealing, these windows help create a peaceful, quiet living space even in the middle of a busy, vibrant community.